My name is Arturo Garcia. I am the Innovation Director in Standard Profile Spain, and we are participating in the Stream Zero D project as final users, which means that our main role is to validate the technology generated in the project. Obviously, at the same time, we have been participating in the first steps of the project just to define the specifications and the main and intermediate objectives of the project. And also we have been working internally at home in order to modify and to adapt our installations, our equipment for the future implementation of the technology. The extrusion process of sealing system is a really complex technology which involves a lot of sub-processes and equipment with a lot of parameters to control. Obviously, we have control systems to automatize part of this process, and we have an SCADA system to supervise all the extrusion process. But with this project, we are looking for full solutions to, in a first phase, to predict the behavior of our product, and in a final stage, to generate a self-adaptive control system that could automatize the control of the line. This new technology is going to permit to Standard Profile to improve our quality level by detecting the problems before the problems appear and to correct the process on time as soon as we detect some small modification or deviation in the main parameters of the process, which is going to be very helpful for us because in our standard extrusion process the level of scrap is really high comparing with other processes in the market. And another thing that we have seen very interesting in the project in which we are participating is the synergies between the different partners. I am sure that we are going to have the possibility to participate with these partners in other new activities or projects in the future, because the collaboration in the meetings and in the telecoms that we have maintained during the process has been very helpful and very interesting. I hope that this process is going to be very successful, and I am sure that this is not only going to be successful for us, but for many other companies that can use this technology in the future.